This is pretty exciting to tell you the truth. I have a list of all the tokens and cryptos I follow on TradingView, and the number one today is LUNC. That's really nice. I'm sure I'm not the only one seeing that the price of Terra LUNC Classic is acting pretty weird, positively speaking, in the last couple of days. We saw this past weekend up to 1,500% increase in volume. That was amazing. Last video I posted about that was 700%. And I was like, I'm not going to make any more because that's, amazing. On X, people are saying Mr. Diamond has a lot of different community members. But how in the world we got to 1,500%? People are watching, people are buying, we're selling, and all of that. Understand, all of those volumes, they help for the burn. So in the upcoming March burn, just because of what happened today or this past weekend, that's gonna be amazing for the burn. We're gonna be burning more. Now I'm more bullish that we're gonna be burning 2+ billion LUNC and secure the 100 billion total LUNC burn in over a year. But it's all right. Now, I want to talk to you about Terra Station. I want to talk to you about the price because we did 20%, 21% to be precise, this Saturday, Sunday. Can we go higher? Well, here's what's weird about the price of LUNC that I like. If you take a look at the 1 hour, or if you go to the 4 hours, we're gonna see roughly in an 8-hour to 10-hour brackets, the price is going down, then the price is going up. The price is going down, and the price is going up. The price is going down, and right now the price is trying to break free and continue going up. This is a different pattern. This is totally different to what we were seeing at the beginning of February and all month January. We're seeing a new trend, and this new trend can bring much higher prices. Just the fact that I'm seeing right now on my screen, 3011 LUNC. Guys, I'm gonna go ahead and go back here 4 hours. The last time we were 3011, obviously, the last couple of days, but it was, about 3 weeks in January. It was pretty crazy, right? We lost that, but now we're getting back up to speed. And I like that, meaning, can we put 3012 and finally break that pattern? Because it's been the first crash that we had, it was January the 18th. January the 18th was when LUNC collapsed, and I'll tell you exactly how much. 30%. Price of LUNC went down 30% starting January the 18th. Right now we are 301011, which means that in the next couple of days, I wouldn't be surprised if LUNC goes higher 11%, which is going back to 3012. Now, Oscar, that is peanuts. That's absolutely no money, and LUNC is dead, by the way. You're a clown. I get it. I've heard all of that. But what I'm trying to say is I like the new changes in the volume. It's bringing a lot more people. Definitely it's going to help for the burn. And there's a lot of people watching. People care about Terra LUNC Classic. And here is another one. We see on the Terra Station, Genuine Labs community spend proposal. And there's 87% voting yes. And this is paying the cost of the Genuine Labs work for the last couple of 4 weeks, and it's gonna be a total of $16,000 paid in LUNC. Great. So people are working on behalf of the project, adding efforts, trying to address issues related to the packet forward middleware and IBC hooks, which means they're trying to stabilize, maintain, revitalize the chain that we like, known as Terra LUNC, right? Which is really nice. Making sure that we continue staking and the proposals continue going forward. So that's good. And they're gonna get paid for that. And everybody's voting yes, which is nice. Right now, the volume for LUNC is about -50%. So, but it's just beautiful. I don't wanna show it to you guys right here. It's this one. This looks pretty interesting. The prices come pretty consolidated and now starts rallying a little bit. Look at this. Look at these waves. I like these waves, meaning that we could be seeing more of that in the upcoming days. If that's the case, 301213 could be in the horizon. And you know, this token and this community, it's super loud, super vibrant, super eccentric. And we just need such kind of little pumps, because obviously if you open up macro, we're super far from where we have to be, right? From the 305 per se. But just need those little helping hands, snowball, that we can continue, build up from there. That's what I'm seeing right now with Terra Luna Classic. Obviously, 1,500% volume, taking LUNC to position 19 in volume with $235 million. That is just obscene. $235 million. The last 24 hours volume. That's what we did Saturday, Sunday. Guys, we did more than Shiba Inu. We did more than Shiba Inu. Let's come to CoinMarketCap. Let's come to Shiba Inu. Right now, Shiba Inu has volume 75 million. 75 million volume. You're telling me that Terra Luna Classic, which let's find it, it's position 94 by market cap. It has 116 million volume, more than Shiba Inu. So let's now rank by volume, and Terra Luna Classic, we're gonna be positioned right here at 116, right next to Aptos, right next to DAI. And yeah, I mean, there's other different tokens that are much lower than LUNC, which is pretty exciting. Crazy how a token that we're trying to not to push it, to see if we can continue adding more positions and see if we can go much higher, not obviously to the $1 or whatever clickbait target, right, that a lot of people are saying, but somewhere that's realistic and that it's gonna make us some decent money. And that's what's happening little by little. I like the new changes in price. I like how the Terra station and everybody's trying to contribute. And I like the recent volume. I want to see all of that continue. Right now, Bitcoin, the crypto space, is not doing much, guys. But I think as long as we continue supporting, this is gonna get better. Thanks for watching, everybody. Big things coming ahead for Terra Luna Classic. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on those notification bells, take a look at the links down below. Join the community, because we need more LUNC army here watching, always collaborating and seeing. And if you're just in crypto.com for your LUNC purchases, get out ASAP, because crypto.com will be delisting LUNC in April, and that's coming up sometime. So not doing it this month, but in April. So stay alert, because it's happening. See you next time, everybody. Thanks for watching. Peace.